Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have confirmation of the 4th of July sale. But let's jump into the deal. Confirmed 15% off, 4th of July, 15% off of any single item. July 4th to July 6th. In store only while supplies last. And then ITC Inside Track Club. Get early access Thursday, July 3rd. So a day before the holiday, limit 1 per customer per day, valid on in-stock and pre-sale eligible items, excludes Inside Track Club memberships and ITC member prices, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Coupon required for non-members, the 4th to the 6th. ITC Club members receive discount at register. 7/3/25. While supplies last, non-transferable, other restrictions may apply. So it is official. Now, I think my sentiment is the same. A lot of you shared the sentiment in the comments, and I'm kind of on board. I wish this was going to be 20%. I wanted it, but we can work with 15%. 15% we can work with. And so that's what I'm going to try to go over. What I think is most bang for your buck, of course, I always preach it, is 15% off coupons are mainly for deals or tools that don't go on sale too often. And the tools that don't go on sale as often tend to be new tools. So we'll go over some new tools that I recommend, but then also don't sleep on these instant savings, at least from the feedback that I've gotten from you out there, the HARBROs, is that they stack. And it makes sense. It's just a new lower price. It's instant savings. It's not a coupon. It's not a sale. It's just a new lower price. That's an instant savings that goes on for a certain amount of time. And this is what I recommended during the 30% off of tools that were $20 and under. But now we can look at the ones that are over $20 because you can get an extra 15% off these. So I have these sorted from most expensive to least expensive, but we have the Vanguard 100 foot by 10 and 3 gauge triple tap extension cord. Now, it's a pricey extension cord. It's $15 off at $124.99, but you should be able to get an extra 15% off of this. So you'll get it for $106. So you're saving $33 on this, which is essentially a 25% coupon on this. So great deal if you're into triple tap extension cords, which I know a few of you are out there. You've let me know in the comments that you love extension cords. Next, the Bauer 12 amp, 115 mile per hour, 805 CFM electric jet blower fan, already 15% off. You get an extra 15% off, which would be, we'll do the quick math in our heads, an extra $10 off. So you'll get this for about $54. So saving over $20 there. More extension cords. They're a little bit pricier than expected. At $34.99, you're already saving 12%. An extra 15% would be roughly about $5 savings. So you get this for probably just under $30, about $30. And then some of the more enticing ones, you can get this Apache weatherproof 3800 weatherproof protective case, large, for $34.99, already $5 savings. But if you get an extra 15% off of this, let's just say $35 at 15% off, you're going to get it for $29.75. So you're saving an extra $5 on top of that. So you're getting it, essentially, what is that? 25% off. Great deal as you're stacking the instant savings to this 15% off coupon. And then another one that looks great, already looked super enticing when we went over this for the instant savings, but this Pittsburgh Comfort Grip 70-piece screwdriver set, it's already $22.99. But that at 15% off, you're going to get down to $19.54. Saving an extra $3.50 when it's normally $30. So right there, you're saving, that's roughly 33% that you're saving. So great deal when you're stacking it with these instant savings. And even if you go below the $20, you miss out on the 30% off, but still viable options. If you go with the instant savings 10mm metric essential socket set, if you bought these a week ago or whenever it was, you've probably already lost them or lost a few. So it's not a bad deal to pick up some more. Now, the other ones I recommend, of course, are the brand new tools. And this is one of the new tools, the Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED light. Now, I think there's some legal issues with this. I think it was Streamlight, say here, compared to Streamlight. It looks like they've already fixed the ring that was at the center of the case or of the lawsuit. I'm no lawyer, but it looks like the pictures have already been adjusted. I believe there used to be a ring here. But either way, I don't know if this will be available in your stores, but if it is, good time to pick it up. $50, get 15% off of that. You'd save roughly about $12.50. So get this for $37. We went over this last time. The Badland half-ton off-road jack for $300. At $300 at 15% off, you're getting $45 off. So you're getting it for $255, which is not too bad. And then, of course, the trailer, you get $150 off. This is the new trailer, roughly. It's been out for a bit, but the price is back down to $999.99, which is good to see. You can get it with this 15%, practically closest to the lowest price that it'll be. And then another new tool that I believe has just come out. This is the 1200 watt power station, 1060 watt hour capacity for $750. I don't think they'll have a sale for these anytime soon. I don't think they've had a sale really even for the smaller one. But at $750 and you're getting it for 15% off, you're getting it for $637. So already off the bat, you're able to get this brand new Predator power station for $112 off. So for $637, about $640, really good deal there. And then this one also had the new tag, the Predator 600 watt power station, 512 watt hour capacity for $450. And then get that for 15% off. You're getting it for $382. So saving $68 already. So you get it for $382, less than $400. And this is brand new, just came out. Unlikely that these will have any type of sale anytime soon. So these are the ones to use it on. We went over this last time. The Hercules 9 amp variable speed surface conditioning tool for $140. Get 15% off of that. This was another new tool, the Bauer 12 amp 5/8 inch dual handle mud mixer. So if you're mixing some mud, mix some mud with Bauer at 15% off of $120. So you'd get this for $102, just over $100, but saving $17, $18 again on a brand new tool. And then I don't know if these are out already, but they're showing new under the new tools. So more new Icon G2. This is the 26 long locking flex ratchet with comfort grip. $120 available in 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, or the 1/4 inch. But let's just say you're going for the 1/4 inch at $55 at 85% of the price, 15% off. You're getting it for $46.75. So saving close to $10 on a brand new ratchet. And if I had to guess, there might be a hand tool Icon sale coming at one point this year, which hopefully they wouldn't exclude these new ratchets. But at 15% off, you're still getting a great deal on a brand new tool. And then last but not least, this was also showing Icon Professional Digital Display Circuit Light Tester, interchangeable shanks at $80, saving 15% on that. Get it for $68. So you save about $12 on that. And with that, I'll leave it there. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, happy 4th of July, early access tomorrow. Let me know if any of these entice you, if you're going to get something else. Let me know your thoughts. It's official, 4th of July, 15% off for everybody, 4th to the 6th, early access, ITC. Good luck out there. Hopefully they have your tools. And as soon as I have some more deals on tools, I will send them your way.